Yeah.
Cars are loud.
Car go vroom.
Car does go vroom.
I said they sound fresh. I didn't say yours doesn't sound fresh. I don't want to point fingers, but Mikey does.
What do you mean?
Your car's loud as fuck. It's got the loud.
Mine only got the loud, no pops. That's it.
Later that same evening.
Oh, this is clean. Oh, you got pops, nigga. You got pops. The more you drive it, foot. Yeah. This is way better than Brandon's, bro. To be honest. Oh, that's just sick. That's just sick, man. Damn. Bro, you didn't even need a tool. You didn't even do it.
Loud.
That's crazy.
This shit's funny, bro. All I do is just I go to speed up.
And oh, this is hard. This is hard, man. Oh shit. That was good at it. Rachel's got it. Oh shit. This is hella fast. This is too dumb. Fuck yeah. I think I did the entry pretty good, but fuck. Oh, fuck, the GoPro! The GoPro! Oh my gosh.
Alex always popping up.
Because of the tint?
Forgot. That shit's fresh.
Mine's louder. Ooh! In my opinion.
Then Brandon's?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Then Alex's, I don't know.
Yeah.
You paid hella more for
Yeah.
that.
We got a gap for us. Oh. Wendy's with the Tommy on it. Ooh. This is clean. What? Rolling deep. What?
A little close then.
Oh yeah, just a little. Yup. Wendy's. Your what? Your pops? I honestly think I'm louder.
I don't know.
I'm louder. Alex, I think mine's louder.
Huh?
I think mine's louder, to be honest,
Louder than what?
than all of your guys' cars.
Oh yeah, definitely. I agree with that. Hey.
Yeah.
Did you try to make me go in front of you? Right now, yeah. That's why that guy fucking got mad. Huh? The guy tried to cut me off. Like you got yeah, the fucking Raptor who got all close to me. I was like, fuck you.
I didn't want to get fucking hit in my ass. That's why I was like, oh,
nah, I was trying to save you, but I was like, fuck it.
I didn't see it because I seen and I was like, at the time I seen, I was already going to go fast for the next exit because I seen the other one. I was like, I'm gonna do that one.
This shit was cool though. I recorded all of it.
Let's freaking, I'm like,
Cars be popping though.
Yeah.
Cars are loud.
car go vroom.
Car does go vroom.
Hey, what do you mean except mine?
Wait, what? I said they sound fresh. I didn't say yours doesn't sound fresh. I don't want to point fingers, but Mikey does.
What do you mean?
Your car's loud as fuck.
Yeah.
It's got the loud.
Mine only got the loud, no pops. That's it.
Mine was popping.
It was popping. I heard it.
all I'm gonna say is this one got the better pops. I ain't gonna lie.
Better pops. You got the louder car. I mean, I think I got the louder car, to be honest.
You got the fastest one here though. Brandon got the faster car. Oh no, yo, you do get it out.
No, he doesn't. I have video evidence of me.
First, second, third, fourth.
Hey, did you guys see the Z in the Super?
Yeah,
yeah. I was like,
I seen the fat ass Tommy in the back. I'm like, shit.
I was like,
yeah. Yeah, I give it some time though.
Color.
I'm about to put some fucking headers in the turbo tomorrow. Nah.
Put a 20 in it.
Hey, you can.
Realistically, my car's louder.
Nah, mine is.
No, bro, trust me.
You want to rev out right now?
Nah, I don't want to rev out, bro.
I'm not trying to be. I'm trying to be a dick right now. But I'm just saying.
I say cruising gets loud.
Oh, you mean like engine loud? Yeah,
No.
louder engine, but I got the louder car. You know what I mean?
Let's find out right now. Put it to the test.
So I'm about to put all the windows down. Look at hers. I know. Even with the windows.
Nah, let's find out for that ass. We'll have
louder car by my speakers. That's what I meant.
oh.